In this class, we can know how to design the cloud services and what is the AWS well architecture frameworks. Five pillars of designing clouds is security, reliability, performance, cost optimization, and operational excellence. AWS well architecture framework. AWS well architecture helps to take the information decision, and the AWS well architecture framework provides the architecture best practices across the five pillars: designing, operationals, reliable, secure, and cost efficient. In these are five key points are there: stop guessing your capacity needs, and the test system at the production scale, and the third one is the lower risk architecture chain, and the fourth one automate, and the fifth one the allow evaluation architectures. And first one is the stop guessing architecture. In these are 3 points are there: database, networking, and cost. Yeah, database, networking, and expenditure. ముందుగా ఒక కంపెనీకి మనం ఎస్టిమేట్ అనేది చేయాలి. మనం ముందు మన బడ్జెట్ ఎంత పెడతాం, మనకి ఎంత నెట్వర్క్ కావాలి, మన ఎంత డేటా కావాలనేది మనకి ఒక గెస్ట్ చేయాలి. మనం ఎక్కువ గెస్ట్ చేసినా మనకి లాస్ అయిపోయింది, తక్కువ గెస్ట్ చేసినా మనకి దీంట్లో లాస్ అయిపోయింది. సో కాబట్టి మనం చూసుకొని ఏడబ్ల్యూఎస్ స్టాప్ గెస్టింగ్ ద్వారా మనం ఎంత కావాలనేది మనకి ఏడబ్ల్యూఎస్ గెస్ట్ చేసి చెప్పిద్ది. And next, test system production. In traditional environment is the default to test new product due to the high cost or the unavailability of the resources. And next, cloud allows to create duplicate environment. ఇది డూప్లికేట్ ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్ అనేది మనం క్రియేట్ చేయడానికి, స్నాప్ షాట్స్ అనేది మనం క్రియేట్ చేయడానికి ఇది యూజ్ అయింది. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఇస్ ద లో ద రిస్క్ ఆర్కిటెక్చర్. ఇన్ దిస్ automation creation of the replicas of your production environment to test them efficiently. And next, you can launch the new test environment when required. And next, automation. Automate can creation the replication of your system low cost and with less effort. And next, AWS well architecture tools. దీంట్లో ఉన్న టూల్స్ అనేది మనకి ఎలా హెల్ప్ అవుతాయంటే, we can review the state of your workloads and compare them the latest AWS architecture best practice. The tool is based on the AWS well architecture framework to develop help cloud architecture build a secure and high. Yeah, చెప్పాను కదా, ఫౌండేషన్, change management, failure management, and workload architecture. Foundation is nothing but requirement of those whose scope extend beyond the single workload in AWS. And next, workload architecture is the reliable workload starts with the upfront design decision, both software infrastructure and hardware infrastructure. Next, change management. Change management is nothing but to your workload, its environment must be anti-capted and accommodate to the workload. Using AWS, you can monitoring behavior of the workload and automate response of KPIs. And next, failure management. In any system, responsible complexity is expand the failure will occur. Reliability requires that your workload be aware the failure as the occur. With AWS, you can take advantage of the automation of the react of the monitoring data. For example, when a particular metric across a threshold, you can trigger the automated action of the problem. Also, rather than trying fix a failure resource that a part of your production environment, you can replace with a new one and carry out our analysis failure resource out of band. Since the cloud enable you stand up temporarily various whole system at low cost, you can automated testing a very fully recovery process. Yeah, next, performance efficiency in AWS architecture. In these four main points: compute, storage, database, and space-time of trade. The performance efficiency, the pillar includes the ability to use computing resource and efficiently to meet system requirements and maintain the efficiency of on-demand changes and technology involves. You can find the protective guidance on the implementation of the performance efficiency. And first we can know what is compute. The operational excellence pillars include the ability to run the monitoring system, deliver the business value to the connectivity. And next we can, in this, we can, what is storage? Storage is nothing but మనం ఎంత డేటా అనేది స్టోర్ చేయాలి ఎఫిషియన్సీలో మనం స్టోరేజ్ అనేది చూస్తాం. And next database, and next space-time trade-off. Fourth one is cost optimization. AWS enables you to take control cost and continuously optimize your spend while building modern scalable applications to meet your needs. Yeah. Transparently attribute expenditure, and next one is use managed service to reduce cost of ownership, and third one is trade capacity expense of operating expenses. Identify Amazon EBS volume with low utilization and reduce cost snapshotting, detecting them. We can use cost optimization. EBS volume that have very low capacity. The cloud allows to trade capacity expenses such as data centers, physical servers for variable expense only for IT consumes. And because of the economies of scale, variable expense how much lower what you would pay to yourself whatever you when born cloud. During this time, many businesses or organizations facing description of their operations, budgets, and revenue. AWS is the set of solution to help with the cost management. మనం ఎంత కాస్ట్ అనేది దీనికి పెట్టాలి ఏంటి అనేది మన కాస్ట్ ఆప్టిమైజేషన్ ద్వారా మనం తెలుసుకోవచ్చు. అండ్ చాలా కంపెనీస్ అనేవి మనకి ఎంత తక్కువలో అయితే అంత బెస్ట్ అనుకుంటారు, కాబట్టి మనం AWS అనేది అప్రోచ్ అవుతారు వాళ్ళు. Operations. System operations on AWS. Use standard AWS infrastructure failures such as Amazon Virtual Private Cloud and Amazon Elastic Cloud Computing and Amazon load balancing. Use AWS Cloud Formation and other automation technologies produce stack of AWS resources. Build virtual private network with VPC. These are created by AWS operations. Monitor the health Amazon EC2 instance and other AWS services. Manage resources consumptions AWS account using the tags CloudWatch, AWS Trusted Advisors. ఇవాళ క్లాస్లో ఈ 5 అనేది మీకు చెప్పాను. ఇవాళ సెక్యూరిటీ అంటే ఏంటి, రియలబిలిటీ అంటే ఏంటి, పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ ఎఫిషియన్సీ అంటే ఏంటి, కాస్ట్ ఆప్టిమైజేషన్ అంటే ఏంటి, ఆపరేషనల్ ఎక్సలెన్స్ ఏంటి. రేపు క్లాస్లో ఇన్స్టాన్స్ యూస్ చేసి ఎలా లాంచ్ చేయాలి ఏంటి అనేది చెప్తాను. ఒకసారి అందరూ పుట్టి కీ జనరేషన్ అనేది డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకోండి. 5 to 10 minutes లో అయిపోయింది. ఇవాళతో ఎండ్ చేద్దాం ఇప్పుడు. హలో.